What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at magnificent unstoppable Tesla stock. Guys, this thing has been giving us these massive moves and I'm not seeing any signs of this thing slowing down. How high are we gonna go? We just tested the very level of 265 today that I have been talking about as the next target. Now, as if we get above this, what are the possible other price targets? We'll take a look at all of that in this video. Let's also get you ready for the day trading as well, how things are looking like, and all of that stuff we'll talk about here. Guys, now also with that, please hit the like and subscribe, and also please note, none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes. So I want to start off with just showing you my day trading bot performance, and look at it. Last 30 trades on Tesla, the table is on the left side. Green, 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 green. Profitable days, guys, profitable days. Loving it. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 bots, okay? Now, let's go back to the daily interval. Now, I have to today update my indicator. When I say update, I mean just the setting here on the indicator, so that we can bring into picture other levels, because now we are running out of levels. So the way to do it is just move the timeline behind. And if you have access to my tools, you can do that. And you should do it so that you can see other previous levels as well. Let's take it back over here. All right, now we have levels to watch to the upside. So then the next level is, guys, 277. And the next possible level is almost just shy of $300, so almost $299.33, very close to $300. So yes, $300 is the direction that we are looking at, guys. So Tesla is, all the pullbacks I have been saying, structure on Tesla is still bullish, and we have been going up and up. Let's take a look at the weekly interval. How are things looking like? I mean, guys, well, you know, if you have been following this channel of mine, Junior Trader Dividend Investing channel, you are already aware about how much profits I'm in with my Tesla ETF that I have bought into during the building of this portfolio. If you want to know updates about how this public facing portfolio is looking like, this is one of my portfolios that I have been building for you guys in front of you, and I share all the updates over here, right? Check this channel out, subscribe here as well if you are interested, and yeah, you can find the link to this channel in the description of this video. All right, so so take a look at weekly interval here, guys. Look at this thing. Looks so amazing. I mean, this has just been unstoppable, right? Like, look at it. Yeah, guys, we are just full on bullish. All right, full on bullish. There is no sign of downside right now. So let's go to the daily interval again and let's see the levels. So daily interval in itself is not going to tell us much at this point. Any pullback, even if it happens until 252.80, that's just a good support. I have been saying this from many days. Well, you know, from the very time of this inverted head and shoulder pattern formation as well on the weekly interval, I have been saying that, guys, we are very bullish. We are very bullish, and we got this massive move that we were just waiting for, right? And so we were already in the preparation. You already know that I have been building my position. But so yeah, daily interval, full on bullish, not seeing any sign of bearishness. We have to go to the hourly interval to talk more about in-depth levels that we can be looking at. So from the hourly interval here, we still have higher lows and higher highs, right? Not seeing any sign of downside here, guys. Also, this was the level I provided even for today, that if we get above 252 again, or stay above this, right, that's just a bullish play for today. I showed you my bot already, and we still have higher pivots. At this point, any pullback, even if it comes anywhere until 20 hours moving average, that's just a pullback. Even 50 hours moving average, that's just a pullback. I would not want to short Tesla. If intraday cool off, you're a really good scalper trader, you can watch some break below the level of like 259.41 cents. Some scalp short may come, but nah, I would just avoid it. Just let the pullback happens, and intraday this thing can still be traded long, intraday at least. Swing, time to take the swing position was down below there. My swing bot already gave the position down here, and then we already took partial profits from my swing bot. So, and the position is still running. So if you have access to my tools, you can see it already, right? Now, if we continue to hold this support $261, now that's a good support, and even this level of 259 and 36 cents is a good support. Anything above this, Tesla is still bullish and can just continue higher. This is the level for intraday. Staying above 259 and 43 cents, we are just bullish. And yeah, anything below that, maybe some intraday cool off, but nothing more than that or pull back. I would still just look for rebounds at least for tomorrow as well, and let the pullback happen and just trade rebound back again to the upside. That's the way to trade Tesla, guys. It's in that structure. Unless structure is not breaking, there is no point in trading it short, right? Just stay with the structure. Look at it on the 5 minutes interval. Yeah, guys, yeah, this is the level 259 and 42 cents for tomorrow that you are watching. We're staying above it, continuation to the upside. Otherwise, some cool off may come, but nothing more than below 253 tomorrow, in my opinion, around that area. So you can scalp short if you want to, but that's a risky play. Let the pullback happen. I'll still trade it upside. Loving it, loving it, loving it, guys. This is awesome. Not seeing any signs of downside here. Let's see the short volume data. Like, are the short sellers still trying to come in? And are they being, like, their accounts are blowing up, guys? They're crying. They're crying, guys. They're crying. All right. Oh no! Look at the short volume data on Tesla. These short sellers are trying their best to pull it down, guys, but they are failing miserably. And this is what is adding this squeeze to the upside. Look, they tried to short it quite heavily. 40%. That's a huge on Tesla. Anything above 35, I consider high short volume on Tesla, guys. Short sellers 40%. Tried to short it at 200 days moving average, failed. Then you can see the squeeze happening, right? Because now these short sellers are covering it. So then there was only 37 short volume for that day. Fine. Then next day they still tried shorting at 46%. They blew up again the next day, right? 41. But price kept going up. That's also adding this lot of momentum to the upside because short sellers are trying, but because the price action is bullish, they are ending up covering, adding up the buying pressure momentum, guys. I mean, thanks to the short sellers, they are helping us to continue just higher and higher and higher. This is amazing. Look, I trade both sides, long and short. But why to short when the structure is bullish, right? I mean, I don't have my bias on a name of the stock, like their stock personality, how they work. Every stock has its own personality based on the amount of float they have, the moat they carry in the market and all of that. But Tesla structure has been bullish. Why would you want to short it blindly over here? I just don't get it. Like, I have shorted Tesla before. If you have seen my videos, last year over here, I shorted quite a lot underneath of 200 days moving average resistance. And I talked about all the reasoning behind me shorting Tesla back then, right? And those were great moves, right? We picked up on the really great moves, $50 moves in one direction on the short side. Now, well, guys, this was a long plan. I have been talking to you guys about it for so many now weeks on this, and this is the time I'm taking benefits, like taking partial profits. Well, today I didn't take any partial profits. I took a couple of days ago, but today I'm just like, let it run. It's bullish, right? And I want to keep carrying my position. I don't want to liquidate the good positions that I have built at 160 and so forth. I don't want to liquidate all of it like just here, right? Because I want to partially size out and see how much I can take it higher and higher in my portfolio. So yeah, like these short sellers are making a mistake again. There is no sign of downside. Today's data will come in the evening. If you have access to my indicator, you can plug and play and maybe get a laugh at short sellers more. But yeah, we'll see what happens, right? What type of short volume would have come today. But 46, I mean, that's mind-blowing, guys. And yeah, they are now getting squeezed because price action has been bullish, and they were, yeah. Short sellers are losing their shirts now, guys. They're losing their shirts, all right? Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.